Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious banana bread, a true kitchen lover's delight. First, gather your ripe bananas, flour, sugar, eggs, and a few other pantry staples. Mashing the bananas thoroughly is key for a moist texture. Remember, the riper the bananas, the sweeter and more flavorful your bread will be. This simple recipe is perfect for using up those overripe bananas. Gently combine your wet and dry ingredients, mixing just until no streaks of flour remain. Overmixing can lead to a tough loaf, so be careful. Pour the batter into your prepared loaf pan and bake. Keep an eye on it. Baking times can vary slightly depending on your oven. A golden brown crust is a good sign of readiness.
If you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more kitchen adventures. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's perfect for playing your favorite baking tunes or setting timers. Check the description for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Once you master the basic recipe, feel free to experiment with delicious variations. Chocolate chips are always a popular choice, or you could try walnuts or pecans for a nutty crunch. A touch of spice like cinnamon or nutmeg can elevate the flavor profile beautifully. Get creative and make this banana bread truly your own unique creation. Proper storage ensures your banana bread stays fresh and delicious. Always let it cool completely to prevent sogginess. Wrapping it tightly helps maintain its moisture. If you've baked a large batch, freezing is an excellent option. Just thaw slices at room temperature or gently warm them for a quick treat anytime you crave it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.